And T.R.E.A.T stands for?
Trees for the Atherton and Tablelands.
Thanks. T.R.E.A.T's a community-based tree planting group. Volunteers work closely with the restoration services of Queensland Parks and Wildlife Service. One of the projects they've been working on is relinking the Crater Lakes National Park with the Curtin Fig and Yungaburra National Park. This is where these national parks are in relation to the rest of Australia. Here's a glimpse of what they look like. If I zoom out now, you can see that these national parks are small islands of rainforest habitat surrounded by a patchwork of agricultural land and development. This red line underlines the area where the tree planting has relinked these rainforest national parks. By relinking Crater Lakes National Park with the Curtin Fig and Yungaburra National Park, they're helping to rebuild the framework of the tropical rainforests of the Atherton and Tablelands. Seeds are identified and prepared for planting.
Yeah, rose tamarind.
Oh, rose tamarind.
When these hang in big bunches, and rifle birds will take that seed, the whole seed, and then just consume the arrow off it.
Look at these guys.
That's red bauble nut, Hickspeechia pilosa.
Is it food for anybody?
You can actually eat the nut, but it's obviously food for cassowaries, the little Hypsiprimnodon as well, the musky-rat kangaroo.
Oh yeah.
They get into the nut. The forest rats eat the nuts.
This is a musky rat kangaroo. This one was filmed feeding early in the morning. They're a type of rainforest gardener. The musky rat kangaroo hides individual fruits and seeds in scattered areas around the forest to make sure that they get their share. Fruit and seeds are buried in the soil and then covered with leaves and twigs. More are buried than the musky rat kangaroo will eat. This protects seeds from being eaten by other animals and can improve the chance of a seed germinating.
Out they all come.
Oh, okay, wow.
And they find they germinate better when they get rid of all the external stuff.
Like the casing.
Yeah. Because I can't stand for a long time. I'm 90 and my walking's not very good, but I can sit down and do things.
Okay, so it's a nice contribution.
Yes, so that's nice that I can do what I can.
Yeah, definitely. What is it that you're doing?
These, when they're in a tray together, the leaves are a bit big and it stops the water getting through to the bottom into the roots. And if we chop the leaves back a bit, it kind of slows the growing process just a wee bit.
Yeah.
And allows the water to get through to the roots.
So that the plant can drink.
Yes, yeah.
Cool.
Especially the ones that have got really big leaves like this. But at this time of the year, we tend to have to do a lot of this sort of thing because it's getting warm and wet, and everything grows at ferocious rates.
So that's the sand base that you're using?
Yeah, it's sand and composted pine bark.
Oh yeah. And what are those seeds?
These are the seeds out of the bumpy satnash, the Salsidium formiforum.
Bumpy satnash
Yeah,
seeds,
so that's-
great. Remember these trees, bumpy satnash? That's their seeds. Their fruits are food for a variety of different species, including these guys, the spectacled flying foxes. This is a mother cradling her pup. How long will that take before it becomes able to produce the flower and fruit?
Probably before they to be a mature tree, probably maybe around 10 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a flying fox, if a flying fox wants to feed on one of these seeds that then germinates and grows into a bumpy satnash, is it 10-year wait?
10 to 20 years.
10 to 20 years wait.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how long will they take to germinate?
They germinate fairly quickly.
Like a year or 2
No,
months?
only a few weeks.
Oh, a few weeks.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Too easy.
Yep.
Yeah, so hopefully by us shuffling them around like this, they will get more irrigation next time round. And when it comes time to planting, they'll all be fairly uniform.
Are you guys repotting?
Yes,
Yeah.
from a small pot to the bigger size. You've only got small.
Although many species will benefit and continue to be benefited by this work, one much-loved species, the Lumholtz tree kangaroo, is already being seen along this corridor. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.